What's going on today, fam? So I'm back again today, and I'm super duper excited about what we have today. And I'm gonna show you what we are doing. So let me get out of here. So I currently have an NRG steering wheel and NRG hub in my car at the moment, and I never wanted a dish steering wheel in my car, but like due to like how short the hub is, in order for it to be at a comfortable place and for my fingers not to hit the stalks, you know, like when I use my turn signals and stuff, I needed a dish wheel. So today I am fine. Well, I finally gotten the wheel that I actually wanted, which is a NRG personal GRITA. It's a flat steering wheel, looks super cool, like very nice leather, high quality, like super excited. So in order to make this work, I had to get a quick release, and I went with an NRG unit. Let me see, and this is their 2.0 quick release. And the reason why I went with the 2.0 is because it has like the nice size like fins and that you can grip onto, like when you're trying like to actually like release the steering wheel. And these cost about $100 new, and they have super good reviews. Like a lot of people run NRG quick releases and NRG hubs, so this is what I decided to run. So like the reason why I wanted to move to a quick release, because as you can see, I have a bucket in my car. So, and the issue I'm having is like, because I have to slide in, you know, like underneath my steering wheel, it's been like wearing down my seat, which is why I had this bandana here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the old steering wheel, and I'll explain a little bit more about like this old setup in case any of you guys want to do this in your own C5s. Okay, so this hub I got from NRG. So this is like a hub that works for multiple of American vehicles. Apparently a lot of GM, Ford, like Chevy vehicles use a common hub size. So I'm going to link this actual like hub and part number down below, and so you guys can purchase it if you would like, and like just so you guys can see how I wired up my old setup. So it's gonna be a little difficult to see, but so like the original like steering wheel has this power supply cable that goes inside of here. So in order to get it to work, I had to cut it off my old steering wheel, and I had to cut the plastic piece in order to get it to fit like with the new hub. But and the way I had this going is, so the hub has a ground right here, so like that already came like that, but I heat shrinked and the power cable going to my horn button with this. So I'm gonna have to cut that heat shrink off, and then we'll be able to mount the actual NRG quick release and get that wired. All right, cool. So we got all that heat shrink off, and we got the old horn disconnected. So this is like the base plate of the actual like quick release. As you can see, it has like these little indents in order for like the ball bearings to lock into. So what I have to do is and so for the power cable, as you can see, that won't work. But fortunately, I ordered this little kit off like eBay or Amazon, and this has been coming in handy for me. This has all types of different connectors, things like that, like super duper dope. Always a good thing to have when you're doing little like wiring jobs, along with heat shrink. So I already picked out the right one, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this on here so we can get everything all bolted up, and then we will give her a go and see what's up. So I got a terrible angle of me installing this, absolutely terrible, so that won't be in the video, but it's all good though. But as you can see, I got everything installed. These are the mounting bolts and that come with it. They're Allen key. They've been known not to be that good, but I'm gonna run them for right now and see like how I feel. I know like the ones that I had and that came with my hub, I did not like because they were just stripped out, but these ones seem a bit more solid, and that was a couple years ago, so maybe like the quality has improved since then. But now it's time to get to the fun part. So we're gonna go ahead and install. Woo! All right, that's on there. Now we just need to wire up my new horn button and install my new wheel, and we should be good to go. Cool. So got the steering wheel mounted up. I just have to wire my horn button. So like this horn button is a little bit different, like just because of like the way like the wiring is. So as you can see on this, and so like this is a ground, but this horn button doesn't have a ground tab. This has like a little ground. I'm not even sure what you would call that, but this is the ground and this is the power right here. So I just need to come up with a way to make this work, which I could just cut off the tip of this and wrap it around here and call it a day, but I'm gonna see what I come up with, so we'll see. All right, y'all, so the way I mounted this horn button was pretty simple. So I used for the positive, you know, like it had the connector where it could just slide on, and then like for the negative, I just wedged it in between the little ground part that's supposed to like create friction against the hub like that, and she works. Man, I'm super excited about this. This is like super dope. Like, let me see if I can take it off for y'all right quick. Oh man, super simple. I love the way it looks. I love how clean it is. To put it back on, super simple. Just line it up straight. Boom, she's back on just like that. So dude, I'm so excited about this. You know what's funny? Like, so Amazon said that my hub wasn't supposed to get here until the 17th today, but like something told me, like I just had the intuition, like it's gonna get here today. So I like put the steering wheel in the car, I put all the electrical connectors in the car, everything. I'm like, it's gonna get here today, and sure enough it got here. So this was a quick install. I hope you guys enjoy it. And for anybody that's trying to put an aftermarket steering wheel in their C5, if you have any questions, feel free to ask, comment below, or to DM me up on IG with any questions y'all may have, because I know this like topic isn't covered that much on the forums and things of that nature, but I'll make sure to link all these parts below in case any of you guys want this stuff. But take it easy, I'm out. Thanks for watching. Oh, and like and subscribe, please, that definitely helps, and share the video, like all that good stuff. But I'm out.